Mrs. Virtual Manager with tips and tricks for productivity. And today we're going to talk about sharing permissions in Google Calendar. What you'll do is you'll click the settings cog up here, click on settings, and any calendar that you have here, you can click on that specific calendar for your settings. And what you can do here is you can add people to share it with. So if I had somebody share my calendar with, I can allow them as the default to see all event details. What I can also do is I can add them to a see only, free or busy. So they will see that I'm busy during that time period, but I'm also free so they can book me during that time period. This might be good for maybe an executive assistant or somebody else in your organization. And you might want them to just see busy maybe you have a doctor's appointment or something of that nature. What you can also do is you can allow them to make changes to any events as well. And you can also allow anyone to make changes and manage sharing. You can do that to an outside email address, and you can also do that within your organization. And that's it.